Hey everyone, Vivo has expanded its mid-range portfolio with the recent announcement of the Vivo Y300 Pro in China, a direct successor to the Vivo Y200 Pro released earlier this year. Despite the short interval between the two models, the Y300 Pro offers significant upgrades in performance, display quality, camera capabilities, and battery life. Let's dive into the specifics and see how these two devices stack up against each other. At first glance, the design language of the Vivo Y300 Pro is in line with Vivo's sleek aesthetic, but it does come with some tangible upgrades. The Vivo Y300 Pro is slightly heavier, weighing 20 grams more than its predecessor. This added weight is likely due to the much larger battery. Additionally, the new model is IP65 rated, offering better dust and water resistance, compared to the IP54 rating of the Vivo Y200 Pro, making it more durable for everyday use. Color options have also expanded, with the Y300 Pro available in titanium, white, black, and ocean blue, while the Y200 Pro came in silk black and silk green. One of the most notable improvements in the Vivo Y300 Pro is the display. The screen size has been slightly increased from 6.78 inches in the Y200 Pro to 6.77 inches in the Y300 Pro, but the real upgrade lies in the display technology. The Y300 Pro features a 120Hz AMOLED display with 10-bit color depth and a peak brightness of 5000 nits, offering a more vivid and fluid viewing experience, especially when watching HDR content or gaming. The Vivo Y200 Pro also boasted a 120Hz AMOLED display, but its peak brightness maxed out at 1300 nits, making the Y300 Pro a superior choice for outdoor visibility and media consumption. Under the hood, the Vivo Y300 Pro delivers a substantial performance upgrade, with its Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, a newer and more efficient platform than the Snapdragon 695 found in the Y200 Pro. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 brings improved processing speeds, better AI capabilities, and enhanced power efficiency, making the Y300 Pro more responsive in day-to-day tasks and gaming. Memory and storage configurations have also seen a notable improvement. While the Y200 Pro is available with 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage using UFS 2.2, the Y300 Pro offers up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage utilizing faster storage options. The base model of the Y300 Pro starts with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, giving it plenty of room for heavy multitasking and app usage, with the option to upgrade for those needing more power. In the camera department, the Vivo Y300 Pro has made some impressive strides. The primary camera has been upgraded from 64 megapixels on the Y200 Pro to a 50 megapixel sensor with an improved aperture of f/1.8 and a larger sensor size of 1 per 1.95 inches. This allows the Y300 Pro to capture more light and detail, offering better low-light performance and sharper images. For selfies, the front camera has been given a major bump from 16 megapixels f/2.5 on the Y200 Pro to 32 megapixels f/2.0 on the Y300 Pro, resulting in higher resolution selfies with better clarity and performance in varying lighting conditions. Another major improvement in the Vivo Y300 Pro is the battery. While the Y200 Pro features a respectable 5000 mAh battery with 44-watt wide charging, the Y300 Pro takes it a step further with a 6500 mAh battery and 80-watt wide charging. This dramatic increase in both capacity and charging speed ensures longer battery life and faster recharges, a key selling point for heavy users. The Vivo Y300 Pro is priced competitively, starting at $250 for the base Model 8 and 128GB, and going up to $350 for the high-end variant with 12 and 512GB of storage. These prices position the Y300 Pro as an attractive option for those looking for premium features in a mid-range device. In contrast, the Vivo Y200 Pro was priced at $300 in India, offering less in terms of raw performance and features compared to its successor. While the Y300 Pro is still in its pre-order phase in China, there is potential for it to make its way to other markets, including India, where the Y200 Pro is currently available. The Vivo Y300 Pro represents a substantial upgrade over the Y200 Pro in nearly every department. From a more powerful chipset, enhanced display, better cameras, and a significantly larger battery with faster charging, the Y300 Pro is an ideal choice for users looking for more power and longevity in their devices. For existing Y200 Pro users, upgrading to the Y300 Pro would bring noticeable improvements, especially for those who prioritize display quality, photography, and battery life. For new buyers in the mid-range market, The Vivo Y300 Pro provides tremendous value with flagship-level features, making it one of the best options available in its price range. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and see you soon.